Today we are going to learn about RAG, which is Retrieval Augmented Generation. We are going to learn what is RAG, why is it important, and what purpose it serves, why there's so much hype about it. Okay, so RAG, which is Retrieval Augmented Generation, is a framework which helps LLMs. We have heard about LLMs a lot these days, but RAG makes LLM a lot more easier to work with. So let's see. So the LLMs face two problems basically. The first problem is that whenever a user prompts the LLM asking about a query, LLM has no way to mention whether the information or the response it is providing is true or not, or is it hallucinating, or what is the source of the information, or whether it is relevant or not. So these are the two problems that LLM is facing. So RAG actually solves these two problems. Let's look how the RAG pipeline works here. So whenever a user asks a question, suppose for example, what is the return policy for item purchased in online, it searches for the relevant information from the knowledge sources. So knowledge sources can be web pages, databases, company databases, company documents, or some internal systems, maybe Confluence, Notion, SharePoint. Now, after retrieving those information, it searches for the relevant document or passages, and that is being retrieved. After that, augmentation happens, where the user question is combined with the retrieved context. Once the augmentation is done, the information is fed to the LLM for generation. Now, the LLM uses the question plus the retrieved context and it generates an answer that is relevant and that is accurate. The accuracy is shown by what is the source. Always the source is mentioned in the response. And to keep the answers relevant, it is important to keep on updating the data sources or augmenting the data sources. That's how the user will be provided with a relevant and accurate response by the LLM. So RAG pipeline is nothing but the retrieval from the data sources and augmenting that user question with the retrieved context.